Èmi náà ni KOIKIMEDIA, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa káàkiri gbogbo ibi tí Elédùmarè bá tún ní ká wà ká tún láǹfààní, torí àǹfààní náà là ń jẹ. Àǹfààní tá à ń jẹ ní gbogbo ìgbà òun náà ni pé ká máa dúpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run, torí pé tá bá ṣì wà láyé ọpẹ́ kan náà ni. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn tí wọ́n fẹ́ wà títí di wákàtí fúndì kan àbí di kejì wọ́n sí pẹ̀lú wa mọ́, but àwa tá a wà láyé àfi ká máa dúpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run tí ó sì ń fi ìṣọ́ ẹ̀ tó sì fi ń ṣọ́ wa. Èmi àbúrò yín, ẹ̀gbọ́n yín, olólùfẹ́ yín KOIKIMEDIA, arákùnrin tó máa ń káàkiri tó máa ń mú gbogbo bí nǹkan ṣe ń lọ. Ṣé wọn náà rí bí nǹkan ṣe ń lọ? Òun lórí ìdí tí a ṣe ń pariwo, tá a ṣe ń kígbe pé a fẹ́ òmìnira, a fẹ́ kúrò nínú ìlú tó ń pè ní Nàìjíríà, because Nàìjíríà ò kì í ṣe country. Ó ní oríṣiríṣi country nínú ẹ̀ ni. Ìlú òfò ní Nàìjíríà, ìlú tó ń pààyàn lẹ́kún, ìlú tó ti pààyàn lẹ́kún ní Plateau State, ìlú tó ti pààyàn lẹ́kún ní Sokoto, bó ṣe ń pààyàn lẹ́kún káàkiri. Àmọ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn tó ń pinna wọn ní I am a Nigerian. Sórí ìwọ náà rí bí nǹkan ṣe ń lọ, ṣé ìwọ náà rí? Right? System tí òun rí in another 60 years tẹ́ bá ṣì wà nínú Nàìjíríà, ẹ lè ríru system báyìí láyé. Ẹ kàn máa wish, ẹ máa dream it, but ẹ lè rí, because wọ́n build in Nàìjíríà pé kó ṣiṣẹ́. Àwọn tó build in Nàìjíríà tó join it together in 1914, wọ́n ṣe for their selfish interest, wọ́n ṣe fún ẹnì kankan. Ṣé wàá rí gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tá a máa mú wáyìí? Ṣòro àwọn èèyàn tó ṣiṣẹ́ lórí train, olúkálukú ló ní róòlù tiẹ̀. Yẹn dá kámẹ́rà padà sọ́dọ̀ mi. Olúkálukú ló ní róòlù tó ń play tí society fi ń work. Àbọ̀rọ̀ mò yẹ nísìn. Olúkálukú ló ní róòlù tiẹ̀. Wàá play róòlù tọ̀dọ̀ tiẹ̀, èmi náà play tèmi. Róòlù tarákùnrin yìí ń play ó yàtọ̀ sí róòlù tèmi ń play. Róòlù tí ẹni tó ń wa train ń play. Ṣé wàá rí services? Òun gangan ló mówó wọlé. Sórí Nàìjíríà yẹn, ìlú òfò, ìlú tó ti pàdánù, ìlú tó yẹ ká pull down, ká collapse ẹ̀. Bóyá ẹ fẹ́ gbọ́, ẹni ká sì keep Nàìjíríà. Ẹ jẹ́ mo yóò yà nínú Nàìjíríà tẹ́ ń sọ yẹn. Ká tó débi tá à ń lọ, ẹ jẹ́ mo yóò yà ni mo sọ fún yín. Mo ní èmi ni máa ṣí ẹ̀mí yín kúrò lára Nàìjíríà. Tó bá ń gbọ́ Nàìjíríà wá sáré, inú á máa bí ẹ, wàá máa béèrè pé kí ló dé tá láṣẹ tí gbogbo ẹ rí báyìí, táwọn kan gbádùn táwọn kan gbádùn, kí la ṣe? No, àṣẹ anybody. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa, mo kí ìyá tó bí mi lọ́mọ, mo kí yín dáadáa. Ìyá lálùbáríkà kò ní bàjẹ́ fún yín láéláé. Mo kí àwọn ìyàwó mi, mo kí àwọn ọmọ, mo kí gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá káàkiri. Torí gbogbo tó ń wò yìí kò ń ṣe fluke. Yẹn lọ fi Christmas wọ̀n, a ti ṣe Christmas, a tún dúró de New Year. A bá tún ṣe New Year tán, a tún celebrate Èṣù Day. Gbogbo ẹ̀ làwa ń ṣe torí ọmọ Èṣù la wá. Èṣù rẹ̀ ń ṣe Satan. Ẹ bá ń wá Satan ní ẹ lọ bá devil. Sórí Christmas tree, sórí Christmas tree lẹ́yìn mi. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas in London. Yeah. How you doing? How you doing?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Where are I from? Italy.
Italy. Oh, Italiano.
Where are you from, my friend?
Yoruba.
Where is Yoruba?
That's southwest of Nigeria.
Ah, Nigeria.
But I'm in Yoruba. Okay. The British join us together. I'm a true Yoruba, western, southwest Nigeria.
Yeah.
But you know, British colony messed up all our lives. This is me. Tradition. But definitely, if I say Yoruba, you don't know. But if I say Nigeria, you know. So, where are you heading to? Where are you going?
Liverpool.
What's going? You live in Liverpool?
No, we have vacation. Hotel.
Vacation.
Hotel.
Hotel.
Yeah.
So you're from Italy?
Yeah, no.
You live
Original, we are African. Tunisia.
Oh, Tunisia.
Tunisia.
Okay. So you live in UK?
No, we live in Italy.
In Italy.
But we are here on vacation.
You're on vacation?
Traveling,
Yeah.
Nice time. Why Liverpool then? Why go
Beautiful
Liverpool?
Liverpool.
Fine girls.
Yeah.
I
We
know.
see a lot of reels.
Okay. So how long are you going to stay in London?
7 days.
7 days. So then you go back to work.
Back to
31.
So what do you do in Italy?
Milano.
What do you do? Chef? Where do you work?
No, we are
work.
traveling.
No, I'm coach yoga do gym.
Gym?
Yeah.
I can see no gym in you. What do you do?
Programmation. Machines. Programmation.
Programmation.
Machines.
Yeah.
Machine. All right. Have a great time.
See ya.
You can
See
check
ya.
me out on let me give you my YouTube or Instagram or TikTok. Just go on my name. I didn't wear my jersey, so I give it to you. KOI, and you're gonna see yourself on YouTube. So you're having a good time already in London?
Yeah.
All right. I've never been to Italy. Maybe one day.
You can come, my friend.
I will, yeah. You send me a WhatsApp, a message through the Instagram.
Okay.
We communicate.
Okay, no problem,
Have you
my
put it
friend.
already? Go on YouTube. Are you on YouTube? Go YouTube, yeah. Find out my YouTube. Say hello to my friends on YouTube.
I'm
Hello,
a
guys.
friend.
Okay?
Hello,
So what's the
guys.
name?
My name is Mohammed.
Mohammed. Alhamdulillah. Your name?
Hamza.
Hamza. Okay, let me put, so you check me out, then you follow me. KOIKIMEDIA. KOIKIMEDIA. Yeah, that's it. So you follow that page.
Cool.
Okay. Oh, is that follow?
Yeah.
Then follow that one. Then 2 channel I've got. WD.
Do you have 2?
Yes, 76 Media. So this is where we're live. So this is you now.
Thank you.
All right then. So have a great
My
time.
friend, have a good night.
All right then. Enjoy yourself. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, my friend.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, my friend.
I hope you get married next year.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Get married and leave all those.
2 years.
2 years.
Inshallah.
All right. Take care. So sori nísìn pé àwọn wá ṣe ọlọ́dẹ ní láti Italy ó wá ṣe 7 days. Ìjọ́ wo ni wọ́n náà máa wá sí London tó máa wá ṣe 7 days. Ó lè wá because Britain ò rí wa gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ ọládé. Wọ́n rí wa bẹ́ẹ̀ àwa là ń pariwo pé ìran ọmọ aládé ni wá àwa ni Commonwealth citizen. These are all the lies. The lies that have been debunked for a very, very long time. Àwa dẹ̀ máa debunk irọ́ yẹn títí tá máa fi break Nigeria, tá máa fi dismantle ẹ̀, tá máa fi collapse ẹ̀. Tinubu ò lè ṣe kankan fún yín. Irọ́ ló ń pa. Tinubu jagaban kò ní kankan tó lè ṣe fẹ́ ní badi. Irọ́ ló ń pa. Àbúrò mòye nísìn. So tó bá wá fẹ́ kí wọn náà máa wá sí London fún 7 days. Sórí tán wá ṣe ní in the 80s làwọn èèyàn ti wá bẹ̀ yẹn rí. In the 80s làwọn èèyàn ti wá sí London tó máa wá ṣe 7 days nígbà tí Nàìjíríà ń jẹ́ Nàìjíríà. Kò ń ṣe nísìn mọ́. Nàìjíríà ti di ìlú òfò. Ó ti di ìlú àdánwò. Ìlú tó ti bayé jẹ́. Ó ti bọmọ kékeré jẹ́. Ó ti gbàgbàlagbà jẹ́. Àbúrò mòye nísìn. Ìyẹn làwọn ṣe ń sọ pé sórí Yorùbá campaign tá à ń ṣe kò tí ì kú o má yẹ kí àwọn kan dì síbẹ̀ pé wọ́n ṣe Yorùbá nation mọ́ Yorùbá nation ti kú irọ́ ni o a ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mẹyẹ ń bọ̀ lápò ni àwọn tó ní ẹnu là ń dán kò sí nǹkan kan ẹ̀yẹn má dá wọn lóhùn ẹ̀yẹn sórí movement ó máa ń pẹ́ tẹ bá ti ní ẹ̀fẹ̀ jà kò yẹ nísìn in tó bá ti mú yín sọ pé a ní jà o a máa ṣe ní ti ọmọlúàbí ó máa take some time kò yẹ nísìn ó máa tẹ̀ mo fẹ́ kí náà yẹn kó mójú mi dáadáa kó lè máa rí background yóò àwọn òyìnbó àwọn òyìnbó wá pọ̀ lóríṣiríṣi òṣèré àwọn yẹn náà nísìn wàá rò pé òyìnbó ni wọ́n onímọ̀ pé Tunisia ni wọ́n òhàn pẹ́yìn tẹ́ wà Nàìjíríà gbogbo wọn lòyìnbó lọ́dọ̀ yín everybody lòyìnbó àwa la mọ̀ pé gbogbo wọn kọ́ lòyìnbó òyìnbó Eastern European wà òyìnbó òyìnbó Africa náà wà kò yẹ nísìn oríṣiríṣi òyìnbó ló wà bọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ yín gbogbo wọn lòyìnbó àwa mo kí ìyàwó arúkọ àyà àtọmọ òun ẹ má bínú pé mo lo glasses mi mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ṣe ti miss mi púpọ̀ kó bá da náà ni ó rẹ̀ ti da lágbára Ọlọ́run ṣé wàá rí àwọn tó ń sọ pé kò sí nǹkan kan tó ń jẹ́ Yorùbá nation wọ́n ń parọ́ fún yín ni irọ́ ló ń pa kíní kan béèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn pé nígbà tó máa colonize wa how many years ló lò nígbà tí Britain tó máa colonize Nigeria how many years ni wọ́n lò nítorí ẹ kó béèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn nìyẹn so mò ń bọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kí n ṣe kọ́kọ́ ṣe báyìí náà mo ṣe ń mú ẹyẹ bọ̀ lápò ni kí ni mo sọ mo ní a ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mẹ́yẹ bọ̀ lápò tí mọ̀ bóyá dúdú bóyá funfun ni mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mẹ́yẹ bọ̀ lápò ni a ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mẹ́yẹ bọ̀ lápò ṣòro àwọn tó ní kò sí Yorùbá nation mọ́ irọ́ ló ń pa fún yín irọ́ ni Kóìkì ń pa irọ́ ni Ìgbòho ń pa ẹ̀yẹn má dá wọn lóhùn sórí ìyàtọ̀ máa jẹ ìyàtọ̀ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ máa jẹ kò pé méjì bàbá àgbàlagbà kò ní bàjẹ́ fún yín akọ àgbàlá níbo ni bàbá ń lọ báyìí o ẹ ti ń lọ fún holiday Manchester ẹ má rọrùn yín lórí kámẹ́rà sálàfẹ́ lẹ́wà nice to meet you sir gbọ́n ní train ẹ má miss the train o eléyìí tẹ́ wá mú nǹkan lẹ́yìn báyìí ó wà important kí ni káwọn ará Russia wá ṣe ọmọ manager ni aṣọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún láyé àwọn àwọn pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ àti family ẹ bá ń kí wọn ní Manchester àwa yọjú sí lápẹ̀ óyá ó wà important ti gbowó ṣá tán kámẹ́rà ẹ bá ń kí wọn ẹ bá ti dé Manchester ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n mi tó dáa èmi bàjẹ́ fún yín safe journey sir àlàáfíà ni bàbá wà mo ṣe bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ tán láìpẹ́ ni àlàáfíà lọ wà all right sir all right fish okay okay ẹ jẹ́ n tẹ nọ́mbà mi so kẹ́ pè mí later so kẹ́ bá pè mí connect ẹ̀ ń bọ́ ní kíní wà call number yín don't yeah so just fi wọlé ẹnu KOIKIMEDIA ló máa tètè yá yín 07594050979 yeah. All right, gbọ́ mi. All right, safe journey. Fish, màá jíṣẹ́ fún wọn. A lè jáde báyìí ká má pàdé àwọn tiwantiwa. Àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n mi dáadáa nìyẹn. Mo kí gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá káàkiri just reason mo kí ẹ Mr. Kẹ́hìndé Òsénì. Mo kí gbogbo ilé nǹkan sí. Ẹ mọ̀ pé we are always on the moves. We are always on the move ni. Ọlọ́run kó gbàdúrà wa délẹ̀. So mo kí gbogbo wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. Mo kí ọmọdé mo kí àgbàlagbà mo kí gbogbo yín pé ọba Elédùmarè ṣẹlẹ àwọn tó ní kò sí nǹkan kan tó ń pè ní Yorùbá nation ẹ má dá wọn lóhùn by the time tó máa fi understand wọn ní lè ní understanding yẹn kò yẹ yín nísìn happy new year ìyá mi Ọlásùnbọ̀ Sangolana mo kí yín màmá happy new year aṣọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún mo kí gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí a kú afẹ́rẹ́ yìí a kú òtútù yìí a bá wa lára mu lágbára Ọlọ́run gbogbo àwọn tó ní kọ́lọ̀ ń foríjì bàbá wa Akérédolú kọ́lọ̀ ń tẹ́ wọn sáfẹ́fẹ́ rẹ̀ gbogbo àṣìṣe wọn kọ́lọ̀ ń parẹ́ àwọn ò gbàdúrà ikú fẹ́ anybody but tó bá ti wá kò sí nǹkan tá a máa ṣe sí so ó ti wá náà nìyẹn kọ́lọ̀ ń foríjì bàbá yẹn he tried his best àwọn ti bọ́lẹ̀ ní bus stop wọn àwa tó kù kọ́lọ́njà lè délẹ̀ lérí lágbára Ọlọ́run àbọ̀rọ̀ mọ̀ yé nísìn so mo ń bọ̀ mo ní láti connect phone mi kan sí anyway èmi ṣì wà lórí journey àwa máa ń káàkiri ni mo kọ̀ wá ní ká tún wá wo bí station yìí ṣe rí ó busy pa ni bó ṣe ń wọlé ló ń jáde kò yẹ nísìn báwọn èèyàn ṣe ń dé ló ń jáde so now most of the time mo ti ṣe broadcast níbí by náà rí so mo ní láti pẹ́ I have to keep moving because aago méje ló lù so tí wọn náà bá ń wo ẹ̀yìn mi báyìí wàá rí pé ilẹ̀ ṣẹ̀ mọ́ ní London ni 24-hour service ni a kì í sùn ní London torí àwọn kan máa lọ ṣiṣẹ́ night àwọn kan máa lọ ṣe day irú àwọn tá like iṣẹ́ night báyìí Àwọn kan máa ṣe day, àwọn kan máa ṣe night. Can you properly spell 15 in Yoruba? Ẹ̀yin náà ni kẹ́ spell ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń béèrè ìbéèrè náà ni kẹ́ spell ẹ̀ náà. Ẹni tó ń béèrè ìbéèrè náà ni kó spell ẹ̀. Ó yẹ jẹ́ mi lẹ́ ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Mo kí gbogbo alẹ́ nǹkan sí pé we are still on our live transmission from outside our base all the time. So let's turn the camera around. Sherikpe New Year, everybody is on the move. Everybody is on the move because the world is a very, very beautiful one. But kò ń ṣe nínú Nigeria, poverty stinking country tó ti báyé jẹ́, ó ti balẹ̀ jẹ́, ó ti bọ̀run jẹ́, ó ti bà gbogbo ẹ̀ jẹ́. So when people say Nigeria is going to work, people like us know that is a complete lie. Nigeria will never work. It has failed and it will never, never work. So if you're one of those praying that Nigeria is going to work, I just pray that Fulani is not going to kill you one day for believing in that nonsense that Nigeria is going to work. Nigeria has passed its due date. What we should be discussing now is the collapse of Nigeria. That should be the information that everybody should be talking about. But if anybody is still talking about we're going to fix Nigeria, Nigeria is not fixable. It is too late to fix Nigeria. So what we should be discussing now is to dismantle Nigeria so that we can be able, to save lives. Plateau is crying. Sokoto is crying. Everywhere is crying in that contraction called Nigeria. So that is one of the reasons why we are campaigning all the time and we are saying enough is enough. Let us wind down the shithole country. But many of you refuse to accept that Nigeria has failed. It has failed. It has gone past its due date. And it is in best interest that we wind it down completely. If you refuse that we should wind down Nigeria, I pray, is not going to affect you. And I hope that some of you that continue to say Nigeria is going to work, I pray that you are not a victim of Nigeria. Many people that have traveled out of Nigeria have been victim, and many people will still be victim as long as the country remains one. If we say we should keep Nigeria, you are literally just slowing things down. Nobody, and I mean it, nobody should be talking about, the union called Nigeria. It's a crime scene. It has actually created Fulani terrorists that wants to take our land. They are not just taking our land, they are also planning to take us out. And this is the reason why we all have to say we've had enough of Nigeria. But many of you have not had enough yet of Nigeria, and that is why we are still where we are today. Until we all accept that Nigeria is gone, then it will be very, very easy. But since we still have many people that continue to work against us, many of the Yoruba politicians are working against us. Okay. So, all right. So now I need to get. Okay. So which one do I get there? If it's not going to be starting from here. What's really one there? All right. I think I have to come out. Is it? So many of you refuse to accept. Get on the 91. Yeah, let me get on the 91. Many of you refuse to accept that Nigeria is not working, and that is a big problem. A few minutes. Let me get on the bus, and then I'll come back in a minute. Many of you refuse to accept that Nigeria.
Yes, please. Yeah, please. Thank you.
Until we all accept that shit old country, then Nigeria, to ti baye jẹ́, to ti borun jẹ́, ó ti baye everybody jẹ́. Everybody is just every day, same thing. We are waiting for a miracle to come and rectify and fix our problems. Our problem will not be able to be fixed for as long as, we're telling ourselves lies. We are all a bunch of liars. Everybody mọ̀ pé kò sí nǹkan kan tó ń jẹ́ Nigeria. Ó ti dead. Ó ti wà completely dead. But unfortunately, ọmọ kékeré ń parọ́, àgbàlagbà ń parọ́. Àjọ wa ń wò pé Nàìjíríà máa da. Nàìjíríà orí ọ̀pẹ bó ṣe dìde yẹn. Ó mọ̀ pé public transport ló ń pè bíbà, idiots. Àbúrò mọ̀ yẹn nísìn. We are telling lies against ourselves that the country is going to work. So, until everybody come back to their sense and then realize that what the British created Nigeria for their own selfish interest. It was not for my own benefit. The British knew that Nigeria was never going to work, but yet they went ahead and formed in Tonkpeni the 1914 amalgamation. And that is one of the biggest lies. Tí wọ́n sọ fún wa pé ká lọ believe wọ́n ní ká lọ máa gba 1914 and that has now created havoc upon havoc. Ojoojúmọ́ Fúlàní ń pa àwọn èèyàn, bó ṣe ń gé àwọn èèyàn lórí, wọ́n ń gbẹ̀mí àwọn èèyàn. And every one of us is waiting péjọ kan ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Nothing is going to happen until we say enough is enough. But tá bá ti sọ pé enough is enough, we are going to suffer together. Èmi máa suffer. Kí ló ń wò mí fún? Torí ọ̀pẹ ṣèbó dìde bíbá lẹ́ẹ̀kan ni. So àbọ̀rọ̀ mọ̀ yẹ yín nísìn. We are all living in this fake British Empire that was created for the British and their businesses that has now made us to suffer as Africans. Ìjọ tá bá ti gbà pé à ń suffer, then it will be easy. Many of you don't know that we are suffering. Àwa tá wà níta la mọ̀ pé ẹ̀ ń suffer. Èyí tẹ́ wà nínú ilé, you don't know that you're suffering because what if we need false hope pé Nigeria máa dá. So false hope yẹn everybody gbé dání láti how many years now, and we are crying out, we are saying to our people, let us wind it down. Olúkálùkù máa lọ ń lọ ẹ̀. The union has failed. The British amalgamation must now be de-amalgamated. But many of you don't want to accept that we should allow it to break. And as long as you don't want it to break, that means life will be lost. Many people will be affected. Arúgbó máa wà affected. Ọmọ kékeré máa wà affected. These are not good for us. Let us wind it down. But many say it is not yet time to wind Nigeria down. Nigeria is not visible anymore. Ó ti crack láàrin méjì. Nigeria ti crack. So until Tabati accept pé ó ti crack, but many of you don't want to accept that it has cracked, and that is where we are today. But àwa sọ fún yín pé ó ti crack. Tí wọ́n bá ní kò ti crack, no problem. One day, you will all agree with us that Nigeria has cracked. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ní kò ti crack, no problem. màá máa sọ fún yín pé ó ti crack, but tí wọ́n bá ní kó crack ìgbà tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ìran àtàwọn family ẹ̀ wà understand the economy it has cracked, politically it has cracked, and that is the reason why we are crying and shouting that we want a total dissolution. Lè restructure Nigeria kò ṣe possible. You cannot restructure something that doesn't have a structure. Nigeria on a structure. So that is about it. I'll be giving more updates as we do all the time. We hope that many of you will have a pleasant new year. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, ẹ ṣọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún tó ń bọ̀ ní 2024 á bá wa láyé láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Orúkọ mi ni Ọláyọmí Kóìkì tí gbogbo yín mọ̀ sí KOIKIMEDIA. Ilé-iṣẹ́ KOIKIMEDIA ló ń pè bíbà nílùú London, níbi tí a ti ń fi oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ àti educational conversation fún àwa tí a fẹ́ òmìnira pé ká bọ́ kúrò nínú ìyà tí Nàìjíríà fi wá sí láti 63 years. Have a very good evening and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye for now.